finally unboxing my table saw. I have the Evolution 250, I can't remember what it is, I've got the Evolution R255pts table saw. It's my first table saw. It's Evolution. I quite like Evolution stuff. I've got their sliding miter saw. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, in with the instructions, we get instruction book, a scan here for the assembly video, and the helpline, which looks like a Sheffield number. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so let's have a look through and see what it says. Okay, after a lot of heave-hoeing, it is out of the box. We've got bits of frame, looks fairly chunky stuff, push stick, something, yeah, fence right there, looks like a useful piece of metal, and this is the upside down corpse of the saw. Sorry if the light's a bit poor, I do intend on doing something about that in the near future. Dust port there. Upside down table. I know what the problem is. It's upside down. the level box, and it is at 0, and this is fresh out of the box. Blade is raised to the full height, and can we see that? 89.9. That is not terrible. Fresh out of the box, not fettled with it or anything. It's pretty good. And that was the unboxing of my table saw. Fairly straightforward process. The instructions were a bit vague, but the online video was really helpful, and we got there in the end. Took me about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.